In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect Slack to Pipedrive CRM. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to integrate these two powerful tools, helping you streamline communication and boost productivity within your team. Let's dive into it. The first step is to head over to the Pipedrive website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Pipedrive, or simply navigating to pipedrive.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button. It's typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Login to proceed. Enter your credentials to access your Pipedrive account. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to the Pipedrive home screen, which should feel familiar for those who use it regularly. Once you've logged in, the next thing you want to do is go to the Pipedrive home. This can usually be accessed via a dashboard icon or menu option. You'll find a variety of features and tools at your disposal in this space, but for today's task, we'll focus on connecting with Slack. After you arrive on the Pipedrive homepage, look towards the User Profile section. This is typically found at the top right corner. Click on Profile. This action will reveal several options relating to account settings and preferences. Now, here's where we start to fine-tune our setup. Look for an option labeled Tools and Apps. This menu will guide you to the various integrations and tools that Pipedrive can connect with. Click on Tools and Apps, as this is where we'll find the Slack integration option. Following this, you'll want to navigate to the Apps section. A simple click will present you with a list of applications that can be integrated with Pipedrive. Here, the key is to find Slack. Pipedrive supports multiple third-party apps, but today we're narrowing our focus to Slack, which should be easily recognizable by its distinctive logo. Finally, click on Slack to begin the integration process. At this stage, you might be prompted to authorize the application. Follow any on-screen instructions to permit Pipedrive to access and connect your Slack account. This step is crucial for ensuring that both platforms can communicate effectively. As a quick recap, make sure you're logged into Pipedrive. Navigate through the homepage to your profile. Head over to Tools and Apps, then select Apps, and finally choose Slack to complete the integration. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully linked Slack with Pipedrive the CRM. Congratulations! With this integration, you'll enjoy a seamless workflow, keeping your team informed and in sync. Happy connecting, and see you in the next video.